Hey, the first thing that we're going to do today is we are going to check on our experiment from last week. So if you were not with us, what we did is we put some safflower seeds into 5 different cups. So each cup had some cotton balls in it, and then I sprinkled safflower seeds on top of the cotton balls, and then each cup had a different condition to try to germinate or sprout those seeds. And then we guessed, or we made a hypothesis about which cup would have the best condition. So here were our options. So cup number 1 has been sitting in the windowsill for the last week, and I have watered it every single day. Cup number 2 also sat in the windowsill, so it got plenty of light, but I did not water it every day. Cup 3, plenty of light, also in the windowsill, and instead of watering it every day, I had filled the cup full of water when I first put the seeds in, so then all of the water was already there. Cup number 4, no sun. This one actually went in the refrigerator, which is why it says brrr, and it got watered every day. And then cup 5 was also in the dark because it was in one of my cupboards, but it too was watered every day. So cup 1, 4, and 5, I watered them every day for the past 7 days. Cup 2 did not get water, and cup 3 had all that water at once. So what you guys did last week is you made your hypothesis as to which one of these cups was the best condition to sprout or germinate your seeds. And my hypothesis was cup 1. It seems like a lot of kids, that was your hypothesis as well. So let's take a look at our seeds now. And I'm going to write the letter R here. And if you have your paper, you can do that too. And remember, R is result. So we're going to take a look at the seeds first, and then we will mark on our data sheet here what is our result. Okay, I need my glasses so I can see a little bit better. I'm also going to angle this. So I took those cups and I put them all on a paper towel. I put the seeds on a paper towel, and I'm going to let you see. So we're going to start with cup 1. And look, might be kind of hard to see. Not all of them sprouted. Some of them have a little teeny tiny sprout here. And look, some of these got pretty long. We've got roots coming out. Pretty cool. So that was cup number 1. Let's move to cup number 2. What did that look like? Oh, remember that was the one that was in the sunlight but no water? I don't think it's any big surprise. Nothing happened. They look exactly like they did when I first put them in the cup. All right, let's take a look at cup 3. Now this was the one that had all of the water. I'd filled up the cup. As you can see, when I pulled them out, they were really, really wet. So a couple of them sprouted. We've got some little sprouts, but definitely not as long as we've got going on over here. All right, let's take a look at 4. 4 is the one that's been in the refrigerator. Look at that. The only difference between 2 and 4 is these got wet because I watered them every day. But I don't see anything happening with these. There's nothing. They haven't even opened up. So they're about the same as this. They just got wet. All right, now let's take a look at cup 5. Oh, wow. Look at some of these, you guys. Look how long that root is. So this was the cup that I watered every day, and it's been in my nice warm cupboard. Now, if you can see the difference between 1 and 5. So we had some, what I thought were some pretty long roots, but look at these. And not all of cup 1's sprouted all the way. Like there's one seed didn't sprout at all. These have like little teeny tiny sprouts. Every single one of these sprouted. And that's the shortest one. Wow. So that got plenty of sunlight and water. This didn't get any sunlight at all. So this makes me think, when you plant seeds in the ground, they're not getting direct sunlight, are they? They're buried under the ground, so they're warm if they're getting the heat from the sun, but it's dark. I think our result, what I see is that cup 5 was actually the best condition. Nice and warm. So I'm going to come over here by the R for result, and I'm going to check that. Look at that. So once again, my friends, was I wrong in my hypothesis? No, I wasn't. It just is that the result did not support my hypothesis. So my hypothesis was unsupported. I wasn't wrong, it was just unsupported. So if you chose cup 5 as your hypothesis, that just meant your hypothesis was supported. If you chose any of the other cups, it was just unsupported. Remember, we don't talk about right or wrong, because in science, there's no such thing as a wrong hypothesis. Look at us learning stuff. This is super cool, you guys. Oh, and my plan now is to take these sprouts and put them in the ground, because I don't want these seeds to go to waste. And I think these other ones, like these right here from 2, 3, and 4, these I might just go ahead and put them in cup 5 and give them some water and stick them back in my cupboard until they're ready to go in the ground. Pretty cool. All right. I will talk to you later.